Welcome to our smarter than a fifth grader.
All the rules are no phones, no Apple Watches, nothing that includes screens or laptops or cheat sheets.
Our contestants have 2 helplines. They can phone the Wolfpack or get multiple choice.
The wolf/contestant with the most points wins.
Don't be a sore loser if you don't win. What is 60 times 1/10?
A is 3%, B is 97%, C is 0%, and D is 5%.
3.
What percentage of water is fresh water on our planet?
6.
Question 5. What is the hottest star? A, yellow, B, red, C, blue, or D, orange?
Blue.
The semicircles that measure the distance east or west of the prime meridian are called lines of A, longitude, or B, latitude.
Straight.
Question 5. What is the hottest star? A, yellow, B, red, C, blue, or D, orange?
Okay, I am going to say that it is white.
What is 60 times 1/10?
I am going to say 6. Yeah. I got it right. Woo!
Question 9. State an idiom. A. It's raining cats and dogs. B. It's a piece of cake. C. Once in a blue moon. Or D. All of the above.
It's raining cats and dogs.
What is 25 times 2/5?
1 and 25/100ths.
What percentage of water is fresh water on our planet? A is 3%, B is 97%, C is 0%, and D is 5%.
What percentage is fresh water on our planet? I am going to go with 3%.
What is 10 divided by 1/2?
20.
Correct.
Okay. Oh, you're doing it really well. I don't have the rhythm.
In what year was Pluto first considered a dwarf planet?
What year was Pluto first considered a dwarf planet? It was a Kuiper belt object, is what they determined. Let's hear those multiple choice.
Okay, he's using options. A, 2006, B, 1436, C, 1986, and D, 2009.
2006.
Correct.
Hey, oh, wait.
All right.
Around.
Yeah.
What is the second planet from the sun?
Second planet from the sea. Venus.
Correct.
Booyah.
Oh, there's only 2 questions left.
What is 60 times 1/10?
6.
Correct.
Oh my.
How is the number decided? It's decided by the population of the state, but what are the choices?
Somebody raises their hand.
Ching, Wolfpack, anybody out there?
Pick anyone with their hand raised.
You, sir.
What do you think the answer is?
I think the answer is by population.
Which is what I thought. So should we go with that? By population of the state.
Correct!
Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
You're watching this Wolfpack.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wolfpack, why are you spying that way?